Hi. So as you can see today I'm wearing this beautiful blue top, and this watercolored top represents what? What? I just want to hear it loud and clear. You don't know obviously, so you can't tell. It is representing rain, because you know what season it is? It is the season of monsoon. And yes, I'm going to talk about rain and I'm going to talk about monsoon. You know why? Because I like it and it's my channel. So even though the video is boring, वैसे भी nobody is watching it. So what I'll do, I'll make a video on something which I like personally and I'll talk about it. So first of all, I really want to know if you just like rain or not, and it is very important for me. It is kind of a survey which I'm doing. I'm asking all of my friends, all of the people I know, and I'm just asking them one question like, do you like rain? And they are like asking me, why are you asking this question? And I have like no answer for it, but I just like personally want to know, like, am I the only one who loves and just loves rain so much? I know, and I don't only just love rain, I just respect rain. I feel like rain is a kind of a god. And yes, I know that there's this Indra Bhagwan story behind like rain and everything, but he's not shown a very positive god in like Hindu mythology. But you know what I feel? I feel rain to be a very feminine thing, because it's gentle, it makes you feel good, and sometimes it gets angry, and when it gets angry it can destroy you as well. And you know, sometimes I feel like I am an incarnation of a frog, because as you have seen, or people also say, like at the time of rain frog enjoy so much, they just jumps around, have fun, and I feel the same. Still, whenever every time it's like raining, or it's like even cloudy weather, I feel the same way, and I do these kinds of things as well sometimes only, because usually I am like busy at the time of rain, so I can't do all these things. And at the places where obviously it is like not accepted, or this behavior is like not acceptable to be done, so that's why I have to control myself. But whenever I am at a place where I can enjoy it, I do it. I just do it. Do you like rain as much as I do? Because I have seen a lot of people complain about rain, and they'll get up and whenever they'll get up and see it's cloudy weather, they'll say things like मौसम खराब हो रहा है आज. Why are you saying that मौसम खराब हो रहा है आज? मौसम is even better than normal. What you want to see? You want to see bright sunny day again, which is like almost around the year in here in India. So what? You should enjoy, you should celebrate that now it's a different weather, it's a different day today. Yes, you will get wet, you will get like a little dirty, but there are a lot of things which will make you dirty, but still you do that and you will enjoy it. And you know what I'm talking about. There are many things which will make you dirty, not just from outside, from inside as well. Yes, we all are getting dirty, and still we are doing all those shit things, but we'll enjoy them, and we enjoy them, that's why we do it, and that's why we will do them in the future as well. So just why can't you just get a little dirty because of some beautiful natural phenomenon which I am really grateful about? Like, just try to imagine this world without rain. Just imagine if there's this winter and there's summers only, and there's like no rain. You know, if there's no rain, there's no fun, because winters are just too cold, just too cold for everything, and summers are just too hot for everything. And you know what is rainy season? Rainy season is just best to enjoy, go out, and when you if you are like focusing on rain, whenever you get time, just do one thing: just stand somewhere and watch the rain. As you'll see those beautiful droplets hitting the earth and just jumping around, making a puddle, you will realize how powerful this thing is, like how beautiful and miraculous this phenomena is, this phenomena of rain. Like, from air, from nothingness, this water is coming down on the surface. You can't see anything. You can only see these kinds of like steam bubbles out there, and they are just showering water from it. It's such a beautiful thing to enjoy and look at. And you can also learn another thing from rain. Like, usually what we say, he will only believe once we see something. And there are so many positive things which we want to do in our life, but they are not visible till they are done. So we don't usually believe in them, like we are able to do them or not. But just learn from rain. You can't see water up there, you can't see like any kind of a bucket hanging up there, but still there's this water up there, and which comes down and wets everything around. So rain is happening without any kind of a visible proof in a way. So you can also do things in your life without any kind of a visible proof till you do them. Because if you just go out and ask a lot of successful people like how they have succeeded in their lives when all the things were against them, there are like all the circumstances which were totally against them, they'll be like lack of answer. They won't have any answer. You know why? Because nobody knows like how to succeed till they succeed. Because only what we know is we can do our thing, we can do our work, and we can do it as good as we can, but we don't know the exact key which will make us succeed. We don't know on which attempt we'll succeed or on which attempt we'll fail. For sure we can try our best. So the one thing which makes you succeed is the belief that if you believe that you will succeed one day, you will succeed for sure. And yes, there will be like multiple times when you will fail, but if you will just keep your eye on that belief, that faith, you will succeed one day for sure. So this is today's video, and we talked about rain, and somehow we just incorporated rain in kind of an inspirational thing as well. But yes, I feel inspirational watching rain, because rain is a very beautiful gift to us, and we should enjoy it, we should love it. And maybe if you don't just love it, just try to enjoy it from inside of your house, from a window or something. It is not necessary to just go out and dance and jump in the rain only to enjoy it. Just try to feel it, because once you will feel it, you will understand what I'm trying to say. Well, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.